Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And you can also follow me on my Instagram at tatiana.anisa. Now that that's out the way, I have a very exciting video because I'm going to be unboxing Juvia'S' new mystery bag. This retailed for $15 and you got a lot of stuff that they said they were going to put into this bag, and I'm really excited to open it up because I don't know what I'm getting. I know the types of products I'm getting, but I don't know exactly what I'm getting. So I'm really excited. So if you want to see me unbox this mystery box from Juvia'S, then keep on watching. I have not opened it up, you guys. I literally was waiting to film this video to open it up, and I feel like I've waited long enough. I'm also really hot. All right, let me just take this pen and be lazy and open it up. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so exciting. Oh my god, everything is in here. It's all in here. Okay, this is really exciting. Okay, so first thing that I see on top is a makeup bag. Okay, I only paid $15 for this and I got a makeup bag. Oh, but this is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's tiny, but it's so cute. Wow, this is really pretty. So it has their classic image that they put on a lot of their products. And then it just says Juvia'S. There isn't a handle on here, but it does feel like really good quality. And yeah, I cannot complain. This is so cute. Okay, yeah, I really like this. Oh my gosh. And I used to eye a bag similar to this on their website. I just never bought it, but now I have it and I think that's pretty cool. So next we have a brush in here. This is the Highlighter 01 brush. I actually already own this brush and I'm excited to have another one because I love highlighter brushes, and it has a lot of bristles in here, so this is really good for highlighting or setting under the eye. It's really purposeful, so I use it for multiple different things, and now I have two, which I'm really excited about. So this is what it looks like. It's just pretty domed on the top. I'm not sure if all of these mystery boxes are the same, but I do know that you do get a makeup bag, they said, and you also get a makeup brush and 10 single shadows. So now we're about to move into the 10 single shadows. I don't even think that Juvia'S sells single shadows on their website, which is really interesting. I wonder if this is something they're gonna start to sell, but the rest are all the single shadows in here. So we have the shade Nia. I don't know if you guys could see these, but this one is Nia. Okay. Then we have the shade Kemet, which kind of looks like a gold type shade. Then we have, ooh, this is a really plum purple. I wonder if I can open this without this falling. I'm afraid it might fall. Oh yeah, it might fall if I do that, you guys. So this one's a really gorgeous plum purple. We have a gorgeous golden shade called Casablanca. Not sure if I'm saying that right, but that's this one. I know it's kind of hard to see. We also have a champagne-y kind of gold. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. This is an emerald kind of green. Oh, it's so pretty. But my ring light is washing it out. Love that. Then we have Ethiopia, which is, ooh, this burnt brick orange red kind of color. It's very pretty. And then we have three more, which, ooh, this looks like a duochrome kind of green shade called Taj. It's really pretty. I'm sorry you guys can't really see the shades, but it's really, really pretty. I am gonna swatch some of these. I have Angola, which is also a goldeny shade. These two kind of look similar. Angola and Carlotta, which is really pretty. It's this pinkish duochrome-y kind of shade. I want to swatch, oh my god, this is so pretty, Casablanca. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so stunning. Whoa, do you guys see this pigment? That is really pretty. Okay, I want to swatch Zarya because it's this gorgeous duochrome shade. Oh my gosh. And these pan sizes are huge. So this one's Zarya. Oh no, it's not a duochrome, but it's really pretty. It's like a green with like green sparkles, and it kind of has a hint of black. Let's see, what other one do I want us to watch? No wait, this is the duochrome. Okay, so this is Taj. Oh my gosh, I have to. Oh my god, that's my initials. Whoa, I'm excited. Oh yes, this is that duochrome. Ooh, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay, and we'll swatch one more. I only have like 2 mattes that I got, and the rest are shimmers. But wow, this one's pretty as well. This one is the shade, I lost it. I cannot even find it. Okay, that one didn't swatch very well. Mattes don't swatch very well, in my opinion. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these single shadows out and put them in the only magnetic palette that I own. And I'm going to come back and show you guys the color story, and then we will finish out the video. Alright, so the only empty magnetic palette that I owned was one that I just purchased from Morphe, which unfortunately only fit 9 of those big pans of shadows. But here is the Juvia'S single shadows. This one right here is from Suva Beauty. I just got this one as a free gift with my purchase, so this one is not Juvia'S. But as I was forming this palette, I realized that when I placed an order recently from Juvia'S, they sent me 2 single shadows, I guess, as like a free gift. And the names look so familiar, and I realized those single shadows are 2 of the ones I just got in this mystery box, which is Angola and Lala, which I definitely don't need 2 of these single shadows, so I am going to put this towards a future giveaway because I really don't need 2 of the same shadows. And those are the 2 that I didn't put in this palette because they look pretty similar to... I like already had 2 light shades in this palette, which are these 2. I think Juvia'S picked really great single shadows because these look like the perfect fall colors, and I definitely will be using this. I kind of like how these single shadows look because you can arrange it any way you want. And like I said, this is my first like single shadow palette and single shadow shades. So yeah, I really enjoyed this mystery box. Is it worth the $15? Absolutely. If Juvia'S comes out with another mystery box, I will definitely be buying because I love that they tell you the type of product that you're going to get in there, but you don't know exactly what the product is, if that makes sense. So yeah, I really like this mystery box. For my first one from Juvia'S, it was pretty good. I just think like the $15, the makeup bag itself is like worth the $15, and then maybe the brush too, and then single shadows. So yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun unboxing this mystery box. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.